We got motion. We get money. It's your boy WGM Call. Back to the motherfucking reaction video, gang. Like, we back. Took him on a high speed.
Welcome back, Cop
Tight beat.
Meet Christopher Monroe. On Saturday, May 20th, 2023, at approximately 3:22 p.m., ASP Trooper Tyler Van Schock advised Trooper Anna Escamilla about Christopher Monroe, a
So I think in Arkansas?
subject in the central Arkansas area.
Arkansas.
Monroe was known to flee and had active felony warrants out of Sherwood, Arkansas. A decision was made that when possible, troopers would attempt to box Monroe in to avoid a vehicle pursuit. Monroe was driving a 2020 black GMC pickup. Trooper Escamilla became the lead car in front of Monroe and tried to push him towards the shoulder. Monroe struck the right side of Escamilla's vehicle and was able to escape. She tried but was unsuccessful in disabling Monroe's vehicle, so a pursuit ensued throughout the Pulaski County area.
I see the cop car in front of him. Oh, that's not even a truck. It's a whole different truck. Let's really get in tune to it, y'all.
Simply got 3. Go ahead and box it in. Went to the 670 South 92. Arkansas 175. Down X-ray Charles 175.
You got a phone ringing while you at work. Shaking my head. Chill. Oh, this the GMC right here though. That shit triangle box him. Bopped him. Bopped him. Idiot. You should have pushed him to the shoulder. In that V8, in that Ram truck. He out of there, shorty. Sun burning though. What's that smoke, twin? Got smoke coming out your car, twin. Oh, hold on. Oh, Mac out. Oh my goodness. Oh,
Dad bods deserve better teas.
GG in the chat. Still pushing that motherfucker. Let me see that footage. Yeah. Cause he dead almost had him. Low ass charger. Oh, Suave and Avivan. Oh my god. Boom! Hit the side of that motherfucker. Hit the side of that motherfucker. I would have been pissed. He fucked that cop up though. No cap. Bopping him. He bopping him low key. But you gotta get up out of this, shorty. He messed that cop up. They is tight. They gotta chase him now. Like they bought almost an injury. You feel me? He is cutting up in his Ram truck, son. Like, I ain't never seen anybody cut up in a Ram truck like this before. Like, when you think about it, people don't cut up in these kind of cars. That shit got smoke coming up the motherfucker. Hope the engine don't blow. Engine better not blow, like, for real, for real. That boy could drive though, I ain't gonna lie. He catching up again. He catching up again. Let's see. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah, he getting close. He caught and made him. Woo! Woo! Long body truck, big body truck, gang. Like, he really getting through there. Almost smacked the back of that car. The back of the car with the front of the other car. He would have smashed that shit. Oh my goodness. And he would have kept pushing. Promise you, he would have still been pushing through that. But he pushing right now, bro. V8. Gotta be. Gotta be. The fuck? Oh my. Yo, they can't catch him, like. Really can't catch him. Is they gonna catch Brody or Shorty? Like, Shmoney. Shmoney dance. In the city now. Brody's still gonna be cutting up in the traffic though. Let's see, gang. Like, let's really see. I don't know. Flying. He flying, I ain't gonna lie, he flying through there. You gotta be going like 120. Easy. In a 35 though. In a 35 miles per hour speed limit. That boy going 120. That boy got hella charges racked up. Easy. That shit up the hill, like, oh my goodness. Like, shit's getting up. Like, that shit really getting up. You telling me he getting through all of this, bro? How? Like, how? I really want to know how. He supposed to been stop up. Supposed to been chill. He's about to get gas. Bopped him. Bopped him. Bopped him. You gotta be running out of gas. Oh. Nah, he did everything in his power to take bro down, like. I look shit in that car. He flipped that shit. Hell no, that's wild. Why they ain't show the other camera angle? That shit, boom, boom, fell on top of it. Like, that's wild. He said sorry. Why they dragging Brody like that? They dragging Brody to the... That's wild. That nigga body hurting. My neck and my back, head ass. That nigga is hurting right now. That shit flipped over on a hill on a house. That shit almost took a nigga house over, like.
The suspect was apprehended after a successful TV or technical vehicle intervention. While conducting a search of the vehicle, troopers located a suitcase in the bed of the truck which contained cocaine and methamphetamine. They also located...
Damn. That's why he was running.
A safe in the middle of the road along with the other debris. Inside of that safe was a Taurus revolver firearm, a number of packages of marijuana, U.S. currency, a plastic bag containing green M30 pills suspected to be fentanyl, located inside of a Crown Royal bag that was inside of the safe. Trooper Shoemate located a backpack containing small baggies of crushed Xanax pills, a bag of black tar heroin, 2 prescription bottles of Xanax, containing several MDMA pills, and an additional amount of U.S. currency, as well as 2 cell phones. The weight of the narcotics was 64 grams of suspected MDMA, 100 grams of methamphetamine, 436 grams of cocaine, 89 grams of fentanyl, 182 grams of marijuana, 12 grams of suspected black tar heroin, and 46 grams of Xanax.
Damn.
The U.S. currency was counted with a total of 8,006.
He was serving a whole state. Fuck.
$612. Monroe was transported to the Pulaski.
Wait, how much money?
With a total of $8,612.
He had a little 10 on him, little 8 on him. Feel me? He was living in his shit though, son. Like, what's up? Like, what that was about?
Monroe was transported to the Pulaski County Regional Detention Center and booked on a $225,000 bond with the following charges: traffic.
Wait, what?
Fentanyl and cocaine, possession of a Schedule I narcotic with intent.
He got hella charges, bro. He definitely...
mischief and a litany of other charges.
And he was already got arrested for something. Yeah, he's going jail for life. Sorry to tell you. Try another again and another lifetime. He wild as man. He had the whole 9 yard on him. Boy's trying to move that. Boy's moving that weight for real. I ain't gonna lie. 8 man. He been touching some paper. Young OG type nigga. He still in the hood moving shit. Boy, get your ass out the hood, boy. It's better things to do out here and get some money legally, fo. Do some other shit, fo. What's wrong with bro? But like, it's your boy WG Quad. Check out the podcast, Like Father, Like Son, Son Like Father. Check out the other podcasts, C2R, Come to Reality. Talking real shit, real game, feel me? Giving real game out, feel me? Come tune in, check out the vlog channel too. Like, comment, subscribe on this video if you fuck with this video. Subscribe to me. We almost at, what, 6,500, 6,400? We can do it. I just need 2 more subscribers. So I'm about to drop this today, edit this today, right now. We locked into an same day upload. We grinding. We out.